For a tire replacement, it's important to know that we only have to remove the right hand side of the Aero. First, let's uninstall the trolley handle with the 2 screws on each side, remove the battery cable covers on the right hand side, and remove the 4 screws located right underneath that cover. Remove the 1 screw on the kickstand and the 4 screws of the suspension cover. Remove the 6 screws holding down the motor cable holder, 2 on the top attaching to the mud guard, and the 4 attaching to the axle base. After removing the 6 screws of the motor cable holder, you'll have full access to the tire to do a tire replacement. Reinstall the 6 screws of the motor cable holder, 4 at the bottom and the 2 at the top. Reinstall the side panel and ensure the suspension sits flush with the axle base. Make sure it does not sit on top of it. Additionally, make sure the battery cable on the other side is still sat flush to its slot, making sure it hasn't come undone. Now slide the battery cables through the opening of the side panel. You may now secure the side panel with the 4 screws located at the top, secure the 1 screw holding the kickstand, as well as the 4 screws holding down the suspension cover. Reconnect the battery plugs and ensure that it's kept neatly inside of its slot. Lastly, install the battery cable side covers and the 2 screws holding down the trolley handle, and you're good to go.